Li tara li l-bintek ta' 6 snin mhux komda bl-identità tagħha kienet weġa ta' qalb għalija bħala missier. Dan huwa kliem James Naylor, missier wila u mwilda tifel imma minn età żgħira bdiet tħossha tifla.
When we approached the school to say that our daughter was transgender, after going there for a few years as a boy, the difficulties that we had was accepting her as a person from the first instance. They felt that they were not prepared, and they felt that they had to go to a higher level of authority to be able to, get the mandate to be able to allow her to come to school as a girl.
Spjegana kif wara analiżi psikoloġika profonda wila tħalli tibda tmur l-iskola tal-bniet l-om tgħid li hemm rat id-differenza.
You see how much the child grows when they're allowed to be their true self. You know, even as a student, she's achieved so much more. She was very much in a shell before, and I think even the school can see how much she's blossomed. You know, so.
Diffikultajiet oħra jsibuha meta jżuru l-isptari jew xi ċentru tas-saħħa għax il-wila għadhom jgħidula bl-isem ta' tifel.
Because when she was wearing a mask and going to school in the uniform that she didn't want to wear, that was heartbreaking for me, it was heartbreaking for my wife, but the pain that we went through must have been nothing compared to what our daughter went through.
James jispjega kif hija l-liġi tal-identità tal-ġeneru li se tbiddel dan kollu.
This bill will help us and all other families to make sure that our children receive the education and receive the respect and receive the equality that we all receive. You know, she didn't choose how she was born, but she can choose who she wants to be, and this will help her.